1. The community of the Fortnite game has spent a total of 10 million years playing Fortnite. 2. The speed of enemies in Space Invaders was a technical error transformed into a feature. As the number of aliens on the screen decreased, the microprocessor had less to process, allowing them to move faster. 3. Saturn could float in a giant bathtub because this planet has a low average density. 4. Titanium has the same durability as steel, but it's around 45% lighter. 5. Although Nvidia was initially known for its gaming graphics cards, this company has also become a powerhouse in the field of AI. 6. ARM doesn't produce chips, but it designs architectures. Contrary to the common perception, ARM Holdings, the British company, does not manufacture its own microprocessors. 7. One of the first major commercial innovations of Qualcomm wasn't for mobile phones, chips or modems, but for trucks. 8. The Andromeda Galaxy is visible to the naked eye, although it's located 2.5 million light-years away. 9. Although it's a major supplier of chipsets for many devices globally, including smartphones manufactured in China, MediaTek is a Taiwanese company, not a Chinese one. 10. Excel was initially launched on the Mac, not Windows. The first version of the computer software was released on the Macintosh in 1985. The Windows version of the program came out in 1987. 11. Unlike traditional hard disk drives, SSDs do not have moving mechanical components. 12. Although Microsoft Edge is based on the Chromium engine, like Google Chrome, which ensures excellent web compatibility and solid performance, Microsoft has integrated a bunch of its own features and tweaks. 13. Analog is about continuous signals that vary smoothly, as opposed to digital signals, which are discrete and are represented by binary values, zeros and ones. 14. Unlike the current iPhones, the first iPhone, the one from 2007, had no app store. 15. LED screens are known for their lower energy consumption as compared to LCD screens. 16. The first commercial foldable smartphone was the Royole FlexPi, released in November 2018. 17. Even with technological progress, the speed electrons travel, which is close to the speed of light, remains a physical barrier regarding how fast computers can process information. 18. For many years, Walt Disney himself brought the famous character Mickey Mouse to life through his voice. 19. The shape of Pringles was designed by chemist Frederick Bauer and was created using powerful computers to ensure the stability of chips and to allow them to be perfectly stacked in their cylindrical container. 20. Over 75% of the universe's mass and over 90% of the number of atoms are represented by hydrogen.